Hello students, welcome back. Students, our topic for today is imperfections in crystals, or these imperfections in crystals, or we say defects in crystal. So student, defects या imperfection होता क्या है? So student, we know that in crystalline solids, the constituent particles are arranged in a regular or in a definite geometric pattern. But students, let me tell you that no crystal is ideal. Means कोई भी crystal perfect नहीं होता. अब स्टूडेंट पहले तो मैं आपको यही बता दूं एक आइडियल क्रिस्टल होता क्या है. Now students, एक ideal crystal means a crystal which contains same lattice points and same unit cell throughout is called ideal crystal. So एक ऐसा crystal which has same unit cell means वही unit cell और वही lattice points पूरे lattice में हो, that crystal is called ideal crystal. Means एक ideal crystal में जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स का पोजीशन है बिल्कुल डेफिनेट होता है, रेगुलर होता है, हर पार्टिकल एग्जैक्टली उसी पोजीशन पे होता है जहां उसे होना चाहिए. मींस कोई भी पार्टिकल अपनी पोजीशन से डिसलोकेट नहीं होता. बट स्टूडेंट्स, एक आइडियल क्रिस्टल जो है, एन आइडियल क्रिस्टल एग्जिस्ट्स एट एब्सोल्यूट जीरो ओनली. नाउ एब्सोल्यूट जीरो मींस एट व्हाट? 0 केल्विन. एट 0 केल्विन. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने क्लास 11 में थर्ड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स पढ़ा है. इफ यू रिमेंबर, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ दैट लॉ वाज दैट एट एब्सोल्यूट जीरो द एंट्रोपी ऑफ अ परफेक्ट क्रिस्टलाइन सब्सटेंस इज जीरो. इसका मतलब है सिर्फ एब्सोल्यूट जीरो पे ही रैंडमनेस नहीं होगी, मींस अरेंजमेंट परफेक्ट होगा. बट स्टूडेंट्स, एट टेम्परेचर अबव 0 केल्विन मींस रूम टेम्परेचर पे ही स्टूडेंट बात करते हैं. अब रूम टेम्परेचर इज मच हायर देन द एब्सोल्यूट जीरो. सो एट टेम्परेचर अबव दिस एब्सोल्यूट जीरो, crystal will have some departure or crystal will have some deviation from the ideal arrangement. So students, any such departure or any such deviation of constituent particles from their ideal arrangement is called what? Defect. Is called defect, or we call it imperfection. So यही हमारा आज का टॉपिक है स्टूडेंट्स कि डिफेक्ट या imperfections in crystal. So क्या होता है imperfection, क्या होता है डिफेक्ट? This I have now told you. Now students, these defects in crystals, broadly speaking, they are of two types. So crystal defects are of two types. Say point defects and line defects. Now crystal defects में पहला जो डिफेक्ट होता है, we call them point defects. ठीक है? और these are also called atomic imperfections. These are also called atomic imperfections. So we call them. Now students, what are point defects? Look students, when in a crystal the irregularity in the arrangement of constituent is around a lattice point, it is called a point defect. So आप समझ रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स कि जब भी किसी क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड में irregularity है, means defect है, and that defect is due to the irregularity of the constituent around a lattice point, we call that effect as point defect. For example student, say मेरे पास ये एक crystal lattice है in which constituents are present generally at say lattice sites. Say this is a crystal with constituents present at lattice points. So ये है students lattice points से यहां पर these are the lattice points. So constituent ये है. Now student, when there is irregularity in the arrangement of these lattice these constituent particles around, now these are called lattice points. So students, जब भी irregularity होगा constituent particles में around a lattice point, means से इसके around से यहाँ से कोई atom या ion अगर missing होगा, so when the irregularity is around a lattice point, we say the crystal has a point defect. Now students, second type we have line defects. Now students, line defect क्या होता है? What is a line defect? Now students, when there is an irregularity in the arrangement of constituent particles in entire row of lattice points, means से ये पूरा एक रो इन्वॉल्व है या कहीं से भी कोई एक पूरा रो lattice points का इन्वॉल्व है, then we say that crystal has a line defect. So line defect is what? It is a defect in crystal that is that involves what? A row of lattice sites. And what is point defect? It is irregularity around a lattice point only. So crystal defects can be of these types, that is point defects and line defects. Now students, these point defects and these line defects in solids are common, but in like +2 we shall confine ourselves to point defects only. So that means we are going to discuss atomic imperfections or point defects in this topic. Now students, we'll discuss point defects के types कितने होते हैं. So next topic is types of point defects. Types of point defects. So students, point defects are of three types. The first type of point defects are called, I have written here also, they are called stoichiometric defects. They are called stoichiometric defects. Now second type of defects are called impurity defects, and third type of defects are called non-stoichiometric defect or non-stoichiometric defects. So students, will start with stoichiometric defects first. Now stoichiometric defects का मतलब क्या हुआ? So पहले आपको I think stoichiometry तो students पता ही होगा. So students, stoichiometric defects क्या होते हैं? Now students, these are point defects. So what are stoichiometric defects? These are point defects in crystals so that the we say the stoichiometry of the crystal is not disturbed, means stoichiometry remains conserved. Now stoichiometry का क्या मतलब है? Suppose I have a solid with say empirical or molecular formula AB. So we say A and B. Now the stoichiometry is 1:1. Now so what is stoichiometric defect now? Suppose student ये crystal एक defect show करता है, but defect के बाद भी अगर stoichiometry A और B का जो ratio है 1:1 ही रहे, then we say such crystals they have stoichiometric defects. So stoichiometric defects I think clear हो गया होगा अभी आपको. So एक बार फिर से repeat कर देता हूँ. What are stoichiometric defects? These are point defects that do not disturb the stoichiometry of the crystal, which means the ratio in which various constituent particles are present remain the same. That means the ratio of say constituent particle will be the same as indicated by their chemical formula. Like मैंने अभी कहा AB chemically it is a solid with stoichiometry 1:1, but defect में भी अगर वो stoichiometry उतनी ही रहे, then we say stoichiometric defect. Now students, broadly speaking, Stoichiometric defects are of mainly they are of types. First, we have vacancy defect. Vacancy defect. Now, what is a vacancy defect? Student, vacancy का मतलब हुआ किसी एटम या किसी आयन का अपने नॉर्मल लैटिस साइट से गायब हो जाना. सो वी कॉल देम अ वैकेंसी डिफेक्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, वैकेंसी डिफेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन केयरफुली. व्हेन some of the lattice sites from the crystal lattice are say vacant, the crystal is said to have vacancy defect. मतलब जब किसी भी क्रिस्टल लैटिस में से कुछ साइड से अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स मिसिंग है, then we say that crystal has a vacancy defect. I will show you this with the help of diagram. Say I have an ideal arrangement of the constituents. Say this is an ideal arrangement of the constituent, and we have say constituent A, B, A, B, say A, B, A, B, A, B. Now student, this is an ideal arrangement, means all the constituents are present at their normal lattice sites. They are present at their normal lattice sites. But look, in a vacancy defect, what happens is that some of the lattice sites are vacant. Means say किसी एक lattice site से मैंने यहाँ से B निकाल दिया. Now student, this और से कहीं से मैंने A भी निकाल दिया, से ये हो गया. So now student, see, this crystal now is not ideal. Now this becomes what? A defected or a crystal with some defect और imperfection. So this is vacancy defect. So जब भी किसी crystal lattice में कुछ lattice sites vacant होती हैं, then we say that crystal has a vacancy defect. Now student, one important thing about vacancy defect is, आप देख पा रहे हैं that जब crystal में vacancy defect होगा तो कुछ atoms, कुछ molecules normal lattice sites पे नहीं है, और इससे क्या होगा? The mass per unit volume will decrease. So students, this is very important point, that this defect lowers the density of crystal. This defect lowers the density of crystal. Now students, second important thing is that generally these vacancy defects develop when a crystal is heated. Means vacancy defect कब develop होगा? जब हम crystal को heat करते हैं. आप ये कह सकते हो कि during crystallization, जब हम उस crystal को prepare कर रहे होते हैं by heating and then cooling, then such a defect is observed. So since this effect is produced when crystal is heated, this is also called a thermodynamic effect. This is also called a thermodynamic defect. So this is student is vacancy defect. Now second type of vacancy defect, second type of stoichiometric defect is called interstitial defect. Is called interstitial defect. Interstitial defect. Now student, what is interstitial defect? Now students, when interstitial defect में आपका जब भी कोई से constituent particle अपने normal sites पे नहीं, rather कहाँ होगा? Interstitial sites पे होगा, then we say that crystal has a interstitial defect. So what is interstitial defect, students? When the crystal or when we say the constituents occupy interstitial sites, the crystal is said to have interstitial defect. Now again, say I have an ideal arrangement where constituents are present at what? They are present at the normal lattice sites. So these are the normal lattice sites, and let me mark these constituents as, say, A, this is B, this is A, this is B, again this is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Now student, this is an ideal arrangement, but what happens in an interstitial defect, that the constituents, they occupy interstitial sites, means वो normal sites पे नहीं होंगे. Suppose यहाँ पर एक A आ गया, and since it is a stoichiometric defect, the stoichiometry should be maintained. So कहीं दूसरी lattice site पे B भी आ गया. So now students, this is an interstitial defect. Now one more thing students, जो कि बहुत important है interstitial defect के लिए, that इस interstitial defect के होने की वजह से उस crystal में ideal arrangement से ज़्यादा आपके पास A and B आ चुके हैं. मीन्स A and B पहले नॉर्मल साइट्स पे थे, बट नाउ एक्स्ट्रा A and एक्स्ट्रा B आर ऑक्यूपाइंग इंटरस्टिशियल साइट्स. और इससे क्या होगा? द मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्रिस्टल विल इंक्रीज. सो वी जनरली से दैट ड्यू टू इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट, density of crystal increases. Density of crystal increases. And students, like vacancy defect, interstitial defects also arise during crystallization. That means when we heat the crystal. So it is also a thermodynamic effect. So ये भी एक thermodynamic effect ही है. So we can say that defect है. So we can say that both interstitial and vacancy defects are thermodynamic defect. Now students, very important thing is that these vacancy defect and interstitial defects in solids are observed, but not for ionic solids. These vacancy and interstitial defects are observed in only those solids which have atoms or molecules present at the lattice sites as well as interstitial sites. So we say that only non-ionic solids, so this is very important, that only non-ionic solids have what? Interstitial and vacancy defect. Now students, ionic solids में आपको पता है cations और anions होते हैं, and in ionic solid electrical neutrality of the crystal must be conserved. So students, in ionic crystals, these vacancy and interstitial defects, they are also present, but they are present as Frankel defect, and the second is called Schottky defect. Frankel and Schottky defect. Because ionic crystals में electrical neutrality of the solid should be maintained or conserved. Now students will discuss Frankel defect first. Now students, this Frankel defect was studied by a Russian scientist, Frankel. तभी उसका नाम Frankel defect पड़ा है. So what is Frankel defect? So Frankel defect. Now students, Frankel defect में क्या होता है? Firstly, let me tell you, it is shown by ionic crystals. So we say that it is shown by ionic crystals which have low coordination number of ions. So this is very important to know that Frankel defect is shown by crystals which have low coordination number of ions. And secondly, this is very important, that ionic crystals in which cation is smaller than anion show this Frenkel defect. So ऐसा कोई भी आयनिक क्रिस्टल जिसमें केटाइन का साइज एनाइन के कंपैरिजन में बहुत छोटा होगा, वहीं पर ये डिफेक्ट होगा. नाउ अब इस डिफेक्ट में होता क्या है? सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन फ्रेंकल क्रिस्टल योर केटाइन will move from its normal lattice site to an interstitial site. Means आपका जो केटाइन है वो अपने नॉर्मल साइट से डिसलोकेट हो जाएगा to an interstitial site. So let me show you. This is an ionic crystal. So this is an ionic crystal, and we have A positive, and say we have B negative, A positive, B negative. Now students, always place them in alternate positions so that इनके बीच में attraction हो. So A positive, B negative, A positive, B negative, A positive, B negative. So this is an ideal arrangement of the cations and anions in an ionic crystal. Now student, what happens is that when cation, which has a smaller size than anion, leaves from its normal position and moves to an interstitial site. से इधर से जो आपका cation था वो move करके इधर आ गया. Now this is called Frenkel defect. So now students, अब Frenkel defect को मैं कौन सा defect कहूँ, vacancy defect या interstitial defect? So students, let me tell you, this Frenkel defect is, so this is a vacancy defect. This defect is vacancy defect at normal interstitial site. Means अगर मैं normal interstitial site को देखता हूं तो मुझे ये एक vacancy defect लगता है. But student, जब मैं उसको यहां देखता हूं, then we see that it is an interstitial defect at new location. So it is an interstitial defect at what? New location. So this is very important, that Frenkel defect is vacancy defect at the normal site, and it is an interstitial defect at the new location. And students, one more thing, this Frenkel defect, since we observe that in Frenkel effect a cation moves or is dislocated from its normal site to a new location, this is called dislocation defect. So Frenkel defect is also called a dislocation defect. And now I'll give you one more important thing, that when Frenkel defect is observed in a crystal, will there be any change in density? आप स्टूडेंट्स सोच लो, एक बार देख लो, क्या डेंसिटी क्रिस्टल का चेंज होगा? स्टूडेंट्स नहीं होगा, क्योंकि क्रिस्टल लैटिस से आयन बाहर नहीं गया है, वो अभी भी उसी लैटिस में है. हुआ क्या है, उसने नॉर्मल लैटिस साइट छोड़ के इंटरस्टिशियल साइट ऑक्यूपाई कर ली है. So that means mass per unit volume remains same, which means density of crystal will not be altered. So we say in Frenkel defect, density of crystal remains what? Same. It remains same. So student, these are some important points about Frenkel defect. First, it is shown by crystals which have low coordination number, which have a cation smaller than anion, and this is because cation occupies an interstitial site, and interstitial site can only be occupied by the smaller ions. So cation बहुत छोटा होना चाहिए. Then it is called dislocation defect, and let me tell you, it is vacancy defect at lattice site, but then it is interstitial defect at new location, and then density remains same. Now students, let me give you some examples. Now generally I said that ionic crystals where ions have low coordination number show this defect. So we have example zinc blend जिसमें आपको याद होगा कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर जनरली 4 था. सो ऐसे क्रिस्टल्स जिसमें कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर लो दैट इज 4 होता है वो इस डिफेक्ट को शो करते हैं. देन सिल्वर हैलाइड्स लाइक AgCl, HeBr, HeI. Now all these crystalline solids or ionic solids show Frankel defect. Why? Because in these ionic solids, these silver ions and say zinc ions, that is cations, are small in size than the anions, that is sulfide, chloride, bromide and iodide. Now students, the next type of defect, stoichiometric defect. Students, the next defect is Schottky defect, which is a stoichiometric defect. And students, this name Schottky defect is actually is after the scientist Schottky, which is say Russian scientist. Again, now students, Schottky defect है क्या? So students, Schottky defect is basically what? An vacancy defect. So it is basically a vacancy defect in ionic crystals, and it is shown by ionic crystals which have high coordination number. It is shown by what? Ionic crystals which have high coordination number. And second important thing, that it is shown by ionic crystals which have cations and anions of nearly identical size. So which have cations and anions of nearly identical size, means cation और anion का size almost same ही होता है. अब students, vacancy defect है तो ये होगा क्या? Now students, so what is Schottky defect? It is a vacancy defect in which equal number of cations and anions are missing from the normal lattice sites so that electrical neutrality of the solid is conserved. मतलब इस डिफेक्ट में जितने cations मिस होते हैं नॉर्मल लैटिस साइड से उतने ही एनाइन भी होंगे. से यहां से मैंने एक कैटायन निकाल दिया एंड से यहां से मैंने एक एनाइन निकाल दिया. सो दिस पोजीशन जहां पर ओरिजिनली कैटायन था अब नहीं है, सो इट इज अ वैकेंसी. वी कॉल इट इज कैटायन वैकेंसी. स्टूडेंट्स, ये बात याद रखना, जहां से लैटिस साइड से कोई गायब हो जाए वो वैकेंसी हो जाता है. नाउ यहां एनाइन था, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एनाइन वैकेंसी. सो अभी भी स्टोइकियोमेट्री कंजर्व्ड है, इवन इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी भी कंजर्व्ड है क्योंकि अभी भी कैटायन और एनाइन अभी भी इक्वल है. सो इक्वल नंबर ऑफ कैटायंस एंड एनायंस आर मिसिंग सो दैट इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी इज कंजर्व्ड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, अब जब Schottky डिफेक्ट होगा, see, cations and anions are missing from the lattice site. So obviously जब आपके कुछ ions lattice से चले ही गए, the mass per unit volume will decrease. So students, due to Schottky defect, density of crystal decreases. Now students, I'll give you some examples of ionic crystals or ionic compounds. So since I've told you that this defect is shown by crystals with high coordination number, so rock salt, NaCl, KCl, even cesium chloride, all these have coordination number either 8 or 6. So cesium chloride has, so these type of solids. And then one more, silver bromide also shows Schottky defect. Now student, this is very important to note that silver bromide, Frankel और Schottky दोनों defect show करता है. So this was Schottky defect, and stoichiometry remains conserved, electrical neutrality remains conserved, but difference, it is vacancy defect, and it is shown by crystals with high coordination number. And then cations and anions, they should be nearly of same size, density of the crystal is lowered. So student, this is Schottky defect. और अब आपका जो अगला डिफेक्ट होगा जो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे, इट विल बी इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.